Know this body as foam. Have you seen foams gathering on the seashore? How beautiful it looks. If you have seen it from a distance, it looks like a very attractive. Sometimes when the ray of the sun passes through it, a rainbow spared in the foams. Come closer, they are water bubbles. The whiteness, that moon like a whiteness, or the flowed like that of jasmine flower. They do not seem like anything. Then have you seen a foam in your hands? In your first, the bubbles also disappear. A man life just like this, like a foam. If you see it, foam as a distance, it is very beautiful. If you come closer, everything disappears. If you stay far away, you will keep seeing beautiful rainbows. If you come closer, nothing comes in your hands. We have heard that the gardener has covered the garden with the shroud of flowers. From a distance, flowers are seen. Come closer, they become a shroud. What you call life? From a distance, it seems like life. If you come closer, it becomes death. We heard that the gardener has covered the garden with sword of flowers. Where there, you see the flowers all around. Go closer carefully. Every flower is a flower. You will find hidden thorns. Every flower will prick you. Yes, if you keep looking from a distance, the illusions remain illusions, are broken by going closer. Drums from a distance seems a pleasant. All things seems beautiful from a distance. Have you ever noticed that things do not seem as beautiful during the day as they do not a moonlight at night? Moonlight spreads a magic because a moonlight it is creates a haze just as there are no eyes. So there is a blindness. Moonlight fills the ancestors with smoke, things that appears ordinary during the day. They also starts appearing beautiful at night. The more haze there is your eyes, the more the foams of seeing are precocious. Diamonds and jewels started appearing comes to left. Me tell you the secrets of magic of the world. Everything is looked in the first of thoughts. The further you stay away, the lesser is the contact with things, only with thoughts. The closer you come, the reality of lies is visible. Thoughts start breaking, and whoever saw the reality of life, he got frightened, he got scared, because there is a found death hidden in the house of life, thrones hidden in the flower. There was nothing behind a beautiful dreams except stone. There was a foam of water, or there were waterfalls of water seen in the desert. They were a beautiful foams a distance, but when you came closer, they were not there. And everyone experienced this, but still you do not know who you are waiting for. No one has promised nor do you have faith that someone will come. There is no hope either, but prefer. You thinks, what else can you do? If you don't wait, then what else can you do? The enlightenment person call you that you are sitting on the wrong path, and the one you wait for does not passes by there. There are other path. There are other waiting rooms to wait. If you have to wait, then move a little inward. The more you have gone outwards, the more foams and bubbles of foams of have found. Come a little inward, and you will find that the more reality has started to manifest. The more you come inward, the more truth. The more you go outward, the more untruth. The day you stand exactly at your center, that day the truth revolves all its secrets. That day all curtains, all valleys are lifted. You know this body as forms and recognize it mirage like nature, kill cut the flower net.